Yo, we're gonna be installing these running boards for the Toyota Tacoma. These are directly from TRUMGETA. Shout out to them. Here's everything that's inside the box. Here you have the running board for the right side. So it's gonna be a total of 8 bolts on both sides. So it's gonna be 2, 2, 2, and 2. It's pretty simple. All you're gonna do is unscrew. It's just 2 bolts at a time. Pretty simple. Once it's unscrewed, go ahead and add that attachment, and then you're gonna screw it back in. Pretty simple, nothing to it. And once you screw that in, you tighten it. Then we're gonna go ahead and proceed with the next one. As you can see, I laid 2 down already. We're gonna go ahead and put the third one. So here's the after look after putting all 4 on. Remember, it's a total of 4 with 2 screws each. So here's the final look of that put into place. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab the running boards. We're gonna loosen the bolt, remove the washer, and we're just gonna line it up with those ones. So all you're gonna do is just place it on top. Once it's placed to your liking, you can see you slide it. You're just gonna put the bolt right back. So it's gonna be washer first, and then the bolt, and you're just gonna tighten it. And you're just gonna do the same thing again. You're gonna repeat this 3 times. And once it's there, you're just gonna tighten it up. Pretty simple, nothing to it. Even you could do it. But here's the final look. Here's where I positioned it. Overall, these look great on the 2024 Toyota Tacoma, the all-new 4Gen. Here's another look of the TRUMGETA running boards for the Tacoma 4Gen. Yeah, be sure to check them out.